Hello, good evening to everyone. Today in this video we'll see how to fix Bluetooth on Windows 11 laptop. See here, currently this is on the Windows 11 operating system. When you click on this, you'll see the Bluetooth here, right? The first thing is just toggle this off and toggle this on, and now check whether this is available for pairing with other Bluetooth devices successfully getting connected. If you feel it is still not working, the first thing you can do is you can just restart your laptop, computer or PC so that everything works fine. If not, you can click on this Windows logo, then click on the settings, and under system you can click on this troubleshoot. So now we are going to troubleshoot the actual issue. Click on this other troubleshooters, then click on Bluetooth run. So when you're running this troubleshoot, if there are any issues with your Bluetooth on your device, Windows 11 laptop, computer, those gets automatically fixed. If this problem also didn't solve the problem, then what you can do is click on the search as services. Okay, click on the services. As Bluetooth is the background service, just select anything and just type blue BLUE. Okay, so we are searching for Bluetooth support service and restart this service. If possible, try to check now whether the problem is resolved. If still the problem continues, right click on your Windows logo, then click on device manager, then click on this Bluetooth and click on scan for hardware changes, and if there is any update available, you just update the device drivers of the Bluetooth and restart your computer. This also eventually solves your problem. And if you want to remove any of the paired device previously, you can just uninstall it here and restart your computer. So by doing all these steps, maximum your problem will get resolved. There will be airplane mode here, just turn this on and turn this off once. So this will also solve your problem. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.